Hello guys, it's me Redita. Today we're playing Anime Live. I'm playing on my brother's account, and it says this is your first time living in such a big city by yourself. You'll need to set up your apartment. It's quite small. Find a job. Attend school. It's not like I know Korean or Japanese. I only know English and Bangla. And create your own slice of life. That was a bit simple. What the heck? Okay, so where do I go? Why does there so much people? I don't know where to. Oh my god, it's that lucky. On my brother's I'm trying to walk, it's not working. Wait, where do I go? Why the heck am I so slow? Where do I go? It's not telling me where to go. There's an arrow, but I don't know where it's pointing to. Customization avatar. I wonder what that means. Oh, that's customization. Oh, there. What go? Just. What's so good here? What's this? No, not like this. This is J-pop. What's J-pop? I think I like that. Now let's go. Oh, I already have pants. Now I just need a face. Good. Not just good. Now I need good shoes. What if I have academy sneakers? Yes, I look good at this. So let's go body. Yes, I like that. Now body too. A tail. Why do I need a tail? I don't think I need a tail. Hat. No, I don't think I need a hat. No hat. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna claim that now. That's now my apartment. Here you go. I just have to follow this thing. Oh my god, why is this so laggy? I can barely even move properly. ongoing. Now I'm doing that. Oh my god. It's already prepared. I'm gonna cook something. Wait, what? Sleep in your new bed. Okay, I'm gonna go and sleep if I do that. What's this do? Oh. I just entered my home for no reason. No. No, get me up here. Get me up here. Thank you. Take a bath. Okay. Oh, here it is. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? So lucky. Gotta clean that. Go work at the karaoke then. Get me out of here. How do I... Drops. So hard. Do I need to follow the little circles? Oh, there you go. Oh no. It's way too lucky. Someone has this exact same hair as me and outfit. Huh? Oh, sunset now.